Hey everybody. So are you facing some problems with the Google Pay app? So for those people who are new to Google Pay and don't know what Google Pay is, for your information, Google Pay is a payment app, which was developed by Google, which you can use for paying different stuff. Or like for paying for different Google service you use, or for other services, which is outside Google as well. You can use it as PayPal or Cash App. Alright, it's simple as that. But let's say you're facing a problem with your GP. And you don't know what that problem is, but you're facing a problem. And you want to fix that problem. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some multiple common methods, and how you guys can fix the common problem, which is causing Google Pay. Alright? Now, before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video. Without any further ado, the first step you can do is check if a Google Pay's up to date, because sometimes your Google Pay has not been updated for a long period of time. That's what's causing the problem. And the other thing is if your internet connection is slow. If your internet connection is slow or is unstable, just switch to a data connection and try to use Google Pay, it should work. But even after doing that, if it still doesn't work, the other thing could be that you're using Google Pay in a country where Google Pay is not available. So Google Pay is not available in all countries. So if you're in that country, or if you're traveling to a country where Google Pay is not allowed and you're trying to use it, then it's not going to work. And the only way to bypass the system is to use a VPN and connect to a country where Google Pay is allowed, like India, USA and Canada for an example. Then it's going to work. And let's say you don't have to use a VPN, you're in your own country and your Google Pay is still not working. What you got to do is hold on to Google Pay, click on App Info and go on Versus Storage. Click on Clear Data. Click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data for Google stored on your phone. And basically, you need to open a Google Pay and it should work. If it's still not working, the last thing you can do is delete a Google Pay, reinstall it again. Most of the time it's going to fix it. Alright, so hope you guys understand on how we guys can fix the GPay problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye.